Hello, hello. In this video, we're going to look at how to use beautifully designed email templates in our automation workflows so that whenever we automatically send emails to our customers or leads, instead of just a plain text email, they get, again, a beautifully designed email from our email builder that is just going to elevate the impression that our business leaves on them, and it's just good all around for us and for our customers. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And first, we're going to start at an automation workflow. So as you can see, I'm in this new subscriber workflow. So when people submit the subscriber form on my website, then I'm first adding the subscriber tag to their contact so I know who's subscribed and who isn't. And then I send them a welcome email and an internal notification for myself so that I also know and can feel good about seeing that people are subscribing to my email newsletter. And in this welcome email right now, so you can see here down at the bottom, we just have this plain text message that's being sent out. So while this is totally fine, and there are situations where plain text might just be the easier and more preferable option, I want people who've just subscribed to my newsletter, obviously, to be impressed with the fantastic look and feel of the emails that they're going to be getting now that they have subscribed, right? So I want to replace this with a template. And you can see right above it, we've got this option templates. And if you have a template available, then you can just click this and select it from the drop-down menu. And as you can see, I have like an example template, some stuff I just built for testing, but I don't have an actual subscriber template yet. So let's back out of the automation, and we're going to go to the email templates and build one for ourselves. So let's go to marketing, and we're going to go to emails and templates. And now I'm just going to create a new template. I'm just going to go from scratch here, click the design editor. And then all I have to do is drag and drop a couple things into my builder here. So let's maybe get a logo. I'll put a logo right at the top here. And as you can see, this is actually an update recently. We now have this view email in browser at the top, just in case people are using an email provider that for one reason or another doesn't want to display your email template and its full glory, so to speak, in case there's some kind of incompatibility with it and customers aren't seeing things exactly as they should be. We haven't had a lot of reports of this being the case, but nonetheless, this is a nice option to have. So this will automatically generate a link for them to basically click and view the email in their browser in case for some reason an image isn't displaying or something's gone wrong. But that is a side note. I digress. So here we have a logo. Let me maybe grab another element like a divider. And here we have obviously a nice headline. I might just type here welcome since they've just landed on my newsletter, and maybe just one more text under here. I'll get rid of the heading and I'll type something like hey there, and then maybe use a custom value to grab this person's first name. So now it's really specialized just for them. So hey there, person's first name. Thanks for subscribing. I look forward to, interacting with you in this email newsletter. I'm sure you'll think of better copy than I am right now. All the best. And then I can use this custom value again to just grab my account name. Location.name is going to display the account name, which should be your business name. Right, so that looks good to me. I will add a footer down here at the bottom, and maybe actually I'll add another divider. I'll just leave them pink. Whoops. Let's see. Drag this to the right space. There we go. And now this is also, as you see, going to autofill some copyright, the location name. So the year will be autofilled. The account name, which again is your business name, or should be if you've set it up correctly. It's going to autofill. It's going to autofill your business email, and then it automatically adds this unsubscribe button so your emails remain compliant and they don't get flagged as spam. I almost wanted to say spammed as flag. So they don't get flagged as spam. So this looks good to me. Obviously, if you have an actual logo, you're going to replace that here at the top, but I'll just save this template for now. Oh, whoops, I forgot to give it a name. So I'll call it the new subscriber email. And then I'll save again. And now I can go back to the automation. I'm going to go back to this new subscriber workflow. And here where I send the welcome email, instead of this plain text, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to select new subscriber email. And as you can see, the plain text option just goes away. That's going to be ignored for now. And if I save this action, then I can basically completely replace that with this new subscriber email. And if you want to test, of course, you can come down here and add your email and send yourself a test email just to make sure it's all displaying the way it should and that your email is functioning the way it should. But it should, after testing, be all set up and ready to go. So just click save. And of course, this is a draft just because I'm doing this for testing purposes. But once you're ready to go, don't forget to publish this workflow so that it's actually live and triggering all of these actions when people submit that subscriber form. So this is how you would do this for any automation workflow. So anytime you want to replace a plain text email with a beautiful template, this is the process of doing so. And I, again, can only strongly recommend this because these templates are just going to leave a much nicer impression on, again, your subscribers or your customers. It's going to make your business look much more professional, and it's just a win all around. So definitely take advantage of the email templates and let us know if you have any questions related to this setup. We'll be happy to help.